Happy Tuesday, May 12th, and I want to walk through what you're going to be doing today. See how have you been seeing be seen? Remember that you are going to do a final reflection soon on your See and Be Seen journal. So think about what goal it is that you had for the month of May and see if today you can figure out a way to meet that goal if you haven't done so already. Today for math, we're going to be analyzing bar graphs. So we're going to take a look at a paper. All right, so yesterday you worked on filling out bar graphs, putting information, data into the bar graph. Today you're going to take a look at what those bar graphs are saying to you. So our learning target is I will draw conclusions and answer questions based on bar graphs. So up here we have favorite ice cream flavors. Okay, it says use the bar graph to complete the sentences. The flavor with the least votes is chocolate received 2 more votes than blank. 11 students voted for blank or blank, and the boys surveyed blank classmates. So take a look at ice cream flavors. Then on the back, you're going to do hair color, answer the different questions for the hair color, and then finally, down on the bottom, it's the Kentucky State Fair Horse Show. So you're going to take a look at that too. Remember, pay close attention when you're doing your bar graphs or when you're analyzing them. Wherever that line stops, look at the number that it's next to. Okay, that's going to give you some help as you go through that today. For social studies, complete 2 pages in your MAPS workbook or a Scholastic News Weekly Reader. You had new weekly readers come home with you last week Friday, so double check, see which ones you can do today. For reading, you're going to read the story Baboo's Song on pages 413 through 441. Then you're going to complete this worksheet, page 245. You're going to look at characters and setting. So pick a character, describe the character, and then where do we see that person and what is the setting like? Okay. Phonics, use your syllaboards to build some words today. There's a video for you to watch to help understand the concept, so that will be posted on the video links. Grammar today, yesterday you did synonyms, today you're going to do antonyms. So remember, antonyms are opposites. Happy, sad, hot, cold, stop, go. So work on that today. Spelling, check over your super speller. Make sure you have weeks 1 through 24 finished. And finally, Bible. Practice your Bible memory verse and watch the book Heaven is for Real. If you have it at home, you can read it instead. But it is a great book to read. There's also an adult version that maybe some of your parents have read before too, but just another way of imagining, thinking about what heaven is like. Hope you have a great day of learning.